Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, as always, thank you. My next video is on how to use the Smart Stack widget on the iPhone or iPad. iOS 14 comes with support for new, bigger, brighter, and detailed widgets that you can add directly to your home screen. But they do take up a lot of room since you cannot add a lot of widgets on a single screen, unless of course you use the Smart Stack widgets. A new widget introduced with iOS 14 is the Smart Stack, which features several different widgets that you can flip between manually or let your iPhone change automatically based on when they might be more useful. Learn how to use and edit Smart Stack widgets on iPhone and iPad in the next few simple steps. How to add a Smart Stack widget to your home screen. Tap and hold any blank spot on the screen until you enter jiggle mode. Then tap the plus sign at the top right of the screen. In the pop-up, scroll down until you see Smart Stack. Next, choose the size of widget you want to add to your home screen, then type Add Widget. To move your Smart Stack widget around the screen, tap on it and hold for a moment, then drag it around. Once you are satisfied with the placement, tap anywhere on the screen and exit jiggle mode. How to edit your Smart Stack. Tap and hold a Smart Stack widget until the pop-up menu appears. Tap Edit Stack. If you want the widgets in the stack to rotate to show the most relevant app based on the time of day, toggle on the switch for Smart Remote. You can rearrange widgets by moving them up or down in the list using the drag bars on the right. If you do not want a widget in the Smart Stack, swipe it to the left and tap Delete. So, we hope this guide helped you to learn how to use the Smart Stack widget on your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment as always below, and until next time, I'm out.